Welcome back to our video series where we're talking about current trends in IT. Today, I'll be covering some of the concepts and the buzzwords that you may be hearing around what we're calling the digital transformation. So, that is essentially leveraging technology to displace traditional internal processes and increase efficiency and effectiveness in the workplace. So, a lot of this starts with data management, right? Users need access to data quickly, they need it to be accurate, and they need to get at it from a variety of locations. You need it to be secured, and you need to be able to manage it and practice what we call good data hygiene. Take good care of your data. If users don't get access quickly and efficiently, then they're going to create their own ways to save their data, and that could potentially create what we call shadow IT. If they're using email as their data repository or their own Google instance or saving it on their local desktops, they're creating more problems for you and potentially security risks for your organization. So you need to put company policy and give them in place and give them the tools that they need in order to access data quickly and effectively so that they follow the rules and do the right things. Cloud solutions like Microsoft Azure, by the way, and SharePoint are great for centralized data management. So the next trendy term is data-driven decision-making. How do you put your data to work for you? Are you using your data to inform your decisions? How do your staff consume the data? Can you feed your data into third-party applications? The companies that are successfully navigating this trend are able to visualize data on demand, share data cohesively and securely within their user base, and integrate data into third-party applications using API technologies. And from there, they can leverage this real-time access to this data and create dashboards, reports, mock scenarios, even focus on asset management or any number of real-time tasks through the data visualization. We use Microsoft Power BI, and some of the introductory licensing might be included already with your Microsoft 365 suite. So, and Power BI even has some industry-specific and application-specific templates to get you started. So it's a really good place to look if you're interested in data visualization. Next is automation. Everyone says, I want to automate and I want to streamline workflows. Well, of course you do. But what does that actually mean? Many companies will still use paper or just email or disparate Excel spreadsheets or Word documents in their day-to-day process. We say take that same process, use the Microsoft Power Automate tools for automated milestones, handoffs, tasks lists, tracking and reporting. It's all available when you automate through these tools. Clients have built custom workflows to automate hiring and termination processes, new client acquisitions. We even use them for cultural or community volunteer initiatives. So processes that are common and repeatable can likely be automated. And then finally, let's talk about collaboration. We want to share data, we want to share ideas and contact with each other, but we need to do it through a centralized platform. Pick one, whether it's Teams, WebEx, Slack. We prefer Teams, again, because it's included with our Microsoft licensing. We use it for chat, video, file sharing, and even project management. So you can eliminate emailing documents to some extent. You can enable co-authoring for one version of the truth and cohesive communication. You can also track version and communication history with these tools, and you may already own them. So put them to work. So in summary, your data is one of your most critical assets. Good data hygiene is an important step in navigating your digital transformation. You likely already have the process and likely the tools as well to put it to work. So as you consider this trend, consider whether you are leveraging your data as an asset or simply carrying it along as a potentially expensive liability.